Hello friends, this is the second video of important questions for the unit classification of elements and periodicity in properties. 11th question. Which set represents isoelectronic species? Options are A. Be, Al3 plus, Cl minus, B. Ca2 plus, Cs plus, Br, C. Na plus, Ca2 plus, Mg2 plus, D. N3 minus, F minus, Na plus. Isoelectronic species are those ions whose atomic configuration has the same value. So, let us look at option A. Here, beryllium has an atomic number 4. However, Al3 plus and Cl minus ions have a different atomic number. So, this is a wrong option. In option B, Ca2 plus has an atomic number 18 and Cs plus whose atomic number is very larger than that of Ca2 plus and Br. So, this is also a wrong option. In option C, Na plus and Mg2 plus have an atomic number 10 and Ca2 plus has an atomic number 18. So, this option is also wrong. In option D, nitrogen has 7 electrons and it gains 3 electrons to form N3 minus whose atomic number is 10. Fluorine has 9 electrons, it gains 1 electron and its atomic number becomes 10. And sodium has 11 electrons and it gives 1 electron and it becomes 10 as its atomic number. So, the correct answer is option D. The 12th question is, which among the following factors is the most important in making fluorine the strongest oxidizing agents? The options are A. Bond dissociation energy, B. Ionization enthalpy, C. Hydration enthalpy, and D. Electron affinity. The correct answer is C. Hydration enthalpy. Let us see what is hydration enthalpy. It is the energy released when 1 mole of gaseous ion dissolves in water to produce hydrated ions. Fluorine produces the largest quantity of heat energy due to its smaller size. So, in the group 17, fluorine has the highest oxidizing ability. So, the right option is option C. 13th question is, ionic radii vary in A. Inverse proportion to the effective nuclear charge, B. Inverse proportion to the square of effective nuclear charge, C. Direct proportion to the square of screening effect, D. Direct proportion to screening effect. We know that the ionic radii decreases as the effective nuclear charge increases. Ionic radius is inversely proportional to the effective nuclear charge. Further, ionic radius increases as the screening effect increases. So, the correct options are A and option D. This is a multiple answer question which has been asked in the JEE previous year question papers. 14th question. An element belongs to third period and group 13 of the periodic table. Which of the following properties will be shown by the element? Options are A. Good conductor of electricity, B. Liquid metallic, C. Solid metallic, D. Solid non-metallic. The element in group 13 in third period is aluminium. Aluminium is a metal. From the given options, we can get the answer as option A. Good conductor of electricity and C. Solid, metallic. 15th question. Among halogens, the correct order of amount of energy released in electron gain is A. F greater than Cl greater than Br greater than I, B. F lesser than Cl greater than Br greater than I, option C. F lesser than Cl greater than Br greater than I, option D. F lesser than Cl lesser than Br greater than I. In general, the electron gain enthalpy decreases as the atomic size increases. So, the order should be F greater than Cl greater than Br greater than I. However, fluorine, which has a very small size, is ruled out, as its density is high, which resists the addition of electron. So the order becomes F lesser than Cl greater than Br greater than I. The right answer is option C. 16th question. The order of screening effect of electrons of s, p, d and f orbitals of a given shell of an atom on its outer shell electrons is A. S greater than p greater than d greater than f. B. F greater than d greater than p greater than s. C. P lesser than d lesser than s lesser than f. D. F greater than p greater than s greater than d. We know that the screening effect of the orbitals follows the order of s greater than b greater than d greater than f, as screening effect decreases from s orbital to f orbital in an atom on the account of the shape of the orbital. Right answer is option D. F greater than p greater than d greater than f. 17th question. The element with atomic number 35, 53 and 85 are all. Options are A. Noble gases, B. Halogens, C. Heavy metals, D. Light metals. The correct answer is option B. Halogen. From the periodic table, we can see that elements with atomic numbers 35, 53, 85 are bromine, iodine and astatine. These are halogens. The right answer is option B, halogen. 19th question. Lanthanide contraction is caused due to A. The imperfect shielding on outer electrons by 4f electrons from nuclear charge. B. The appreciable shielding on outer electrons by 4f electrons from nuclear charge. C. The appreciable shielding on outer electrons by 5d electrons from nuclear charge. D. The same effective nuclear charge from cerium to lutetium. Let us see what is lanthanide contraction. Lanthanide contraction is caused due to the poor shielding of nuclear charge by the 4f electrons, which causes the smaller atomic radius of elements from atomic number 57, that is lanthanum, to element with atomic number 71, lutetium. So the right answer is option A. The imperfect shielding on outer electrons by 4f electrons from nuclear charge. 20th question. The ionic mobility of alkali metal ions is in aqueous solution is maximum for A. Na plus, B. K plus, C. Rb plus, D. Li plus. We know that if the size of the cation is small, then the hydration will be greater. Amongst the options, Rb plus has the largest size. So, the hydration of Rb plus ions in a solution will be very less compared to the others. So, the Rb plus ions can easily move in the aqueous solution. Thus, the mobility of Rb plus ions in aqueous solution is the maximum. The right answer is option C.